Hello, my first graders. Miss Kyler here with Number Corners. Now, as always, we start off by predicting what will be on our calendar card for today. So take a moment, make sure you're looking at the pattern. What do you think will be on this card today? Okay, let's check it out. Did you predict that there would be a cracker? Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this card. So we see that there's a cracker with a 1 in the inside. And we know a 1 means that it is a whole cracker. It is not broken into different equal parts. This is one whole cracker. Okay, first graders, whenever we see a 1, we know that is whole. It is whole. And whole means that it is not broken into different parts. Okay, let's go ahead and say our date for today. Today is Thursday, November 19th, 2020. Let's say that date one more time, and remember we start with the day of the week. Today is Thursday, November 19th, 2020. Now let's go ahead and say our days of the week together, and we always start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now, we know from our calendar that today is Thursday, so use your first grade reading skills and read with me. Yesterday was. What was yesterday if today is Thursday? It was Wednesday. Now come on and read with me. Tomorrow will be Friday. Okay, let's keep going. And we have our months of the year, and we know we start at the very first month, which is January, and we go all the way to this month, then we stop. So let's go ahead, first graders, and say it together. And we start with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and November. So Miss Kyler's going to go ahead and circle November, and we know that November is the 11th month of the year. So now Miss Kyler's going to go ahead and write that date two different ways. And our first way is always with the number of the month. In this month, November is the 11th month. And today is the 19th. And you know me oh so well by now. And you know I'm not going to write the whole 4 digits for 2020. I'm only going to write that two last digits, that 2 and that 0. And now I'm going to write the abbreviation, and that's making a longer word shorter. So here is the abbreviation for November. And we're going to write the 19th because that's our date, comma, all 4 digits now, 2020. Okay, let's keep going. So my favorite part, how many days have we been learning together? On yesterday, we were learning together for 53 days. We have our bars of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. And today's our brand new day, so we have to go ahead and add one more square to our grid here. And we know that if we add one more to 53, it's 54. We've been learning and working together for 54 days. Now I'm going to go ahead and write that 2-digit number and spell the word 54. So here it is. There's that 54, and here's how we write 54. So we see that this is a 2-digit number. There's a digit, and here's another digit, and we see that the digit in the tens place is a 5, and the digit in the ones place is 4. Now, first graders, I'm going to continue with our fact families for this month, and we know that 5 tens makes the number 50, and 4 lonely ones just makes 4. So 50 plus 4 is going to make 54. And now we know with our fact families, we're using all the same numbers We're just switching the order. So I'm going to move that 4 right there to the front and take that 50 over there. And we know 4 plus 50 is still going to make 54. And now this is our altogether. 54 is our altogether, the product. And we're going to do the subtraction. So let's go ahead and do 54. Take away 4 is going to equal 50. And now let's go ahead and remember, when we have our subtraction, we're going to keep that product in the front. And we're only going to switch these two numbers. So let's go ahead and put our 54. And we're going to take away 50. And 54, take away 50. Oh, what could it be? It's going to be 4. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, first graders, so you know for all of November that we are collecting hours in the day, and we know that yesterday we had 7 o'clock. Our minute hand was on the 12, and our hour hand was pointing to the 7. So now, once this minute hand travels all the way around the clock, that is 1 hour. So let's go ahead and watch our clock's minute hand move around the clock. So now we see that our minute hand is still at the 12 and our hour hand is pointing to the 8. So it is now 8 o'clock. Now, first graders, we are all done with the 7 o'clock hour. So Ms. Kyler's going to go ahead and I'm just going to color that section in. We are all done with this section here. It is no longer the 7 o'clock hour. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you how we write 8 o'clock and how 8 o'clock looks on a regular analog clock and how it looks on a digital clock. Now, first graders, I've circled 1 more hour. We are now at 8 whole hours. And generally, when we're at 8 hours, we're here at school at 8 a.m. in the morning. We're here at school. And can you believe it? From hour 1 all the way up, you're usually sleeping or having some breakfast. Maybe at 7 hours you might be having breakfast, but at 8, that's when you usually are in the school with your teacher at 8 hours in the day. So now, first graders, I need for you to continue working in your class kick, complete all of the slides, and I will see you later. Bye.